Okay, so welcome back, guys. Today we will discuss how to use moving averages. I don't trade moving average crossovers, anything like that. From watching many videos of mine, you get an idea that I don't use moving averages. Like I don't buy somewhere around here or here. I don't trade crossovers. Moving average are extremely important in the market. Many big players use moving averages. Someone uses 200-day EMA, some uses 50-day EMA, some uses 10-day EMA, some uses 20-day EMA. But everyone uses moving averages. That's why they work, because always everyone thinks that someone is using, so they also use them. So that's why they are working till now, and these are the only indicators that they have passed the test of the time, since they are working since hundreds of years. Okay, so let's see how to use moving averages. So let's assume this is a chart. I will remove every moving average and go one by one. Okay, 50, 20, and 10. I use only this 4 moving average. Okay, so there are, as we know, there are 3 type of market trend: a trending, uptrending market, a sideways, and a downtrending market. So in this type of environment, moving averages is pretty much useless. They are not useful at all. But in this type of environment, they play a very important role, and you can make a lot of money using them. Okay? So the only criteria we have to use is we have to avoid this type of environment. Okay, so the step 4 is clear. Then again, so as we see, we have to avoid this environment. Now it's clear that we have to avoid sideways environment. The next thing is, let's see the trend. Okay, so moving average can be used to identify trend, identify support, or identify possible entry point, or identify a proper resistance also in the downtrending market, like here. Okay, so let's focus on this area. Okay, so stock made a move, pull back, went sideways, and had a breakout. It found support near this 200-day EMA. These are not a single line. These are somewhat type of channel. That's why I use 2-3 moving averages to give me a better perspective of the general market. Okay, so in this zone, it found support near the 200-day EMA. This green line is 200 period EMA. It found support and it went higher. Again, it fell down. It found support. It went higher. Again, now it fell down. So see on this zone, it felt resistance near the red line. So red line is 50-day EMA. So it found resistance and it fell down. Now it's going higher. Now it is finding support near the 50-day EMA. That's how we have to use. We don't have to use crossovers or anything like that. Let's take another. Go from this way. So now, as the stock is in extreme momentum, most of the stocks I trade looks like this. They have too much momentum. I like those stocks. So that's why I use 10 and 20 day also to give me a entry point. So now, as we discussed, we have to avoid this area just because it is sideways and it is not trending at all. Now it made a big move, and see where did it pull back. It pulled back exactly near the 50-day EMA and it went higher. Then the next pullback came. It pulled back on the blue line. Blue line is 10-day EMA and it went higher somewhat. Again it pulled back. It pulled back to 20-day EMA. Again it made a range and broke out, but it failed. Again it pulled back Again started building range here, and it broke out again. So this moving averages acts as a key support region for the high momentum stocks. Again, if you use 5-day EMA, it will look something like this, and it broke it. Okay, but 5 EMA is too short to use. I just avoid it. Again, it made a move, pull back to 10-day EMA, moved higher. Made a move, pull back to 10-day EMA, build a tight range. Our entry possibly should be somewhere here. It made a move. Again, it pulled back to 10-day EMA, went higher. Again, pulled back to 50-day EMA, went higher. See how these are acting. Again, pull back to 50-day somewhere here, built a range, and went higher. See, time and time again, these 10, 20, and 50-day are acting as a key support region on the growth stock. So let's see our downside. In this zone, so let's go to so in this region, the stock broke through the 50-day EMA and it went downward, but it pulled back near this resistance, near this key moving average, which is 50-day EMA. It fell down. Again, it tried to go up, fell down. Again, it tried to go, fell down. Okay, so again here it tried to go up but fell down. So these moving averages work, and they have proven their strength time and time. Go through this area. Okay, so it found support here, fell down, made a move, found support on the 10-day EMA. I traded it on somewhere here. I traded this stock somewhere here. Again, it made higher, pulled back on the 10-day EMA, again moved up. Again built a range on 10-day EMA, again moved up. Again built a range, gone up. It's recent one, much better. So now it's visible. You can see perfect bounce on the 200-day EMA and it went higher. Perfect bounce on 20-day EMA and it went higher. Here on 10-day EMA and it went higher. Here on 50-day EMA, but it failed to move higher. Okay, so it will fail sometimes, but most of the times it will work, and it works beautifully. Again, here it went higher. Here it went higher. Okay. Recent trade I took. Okay, so you know I entered on this candle, but look where it found support. It found support on the 50-day EMA and it went up higher than Zinsardi. Where I bought it? I bought it after the expansion of this range. Range was built, it broke out. Again it found support, range was built, and it went out. That's how we have to use moving averages as a key support and a key resistance line. Okay, now I can see here it is finding resistance, resistance, resistance. Once it broke about 200-day EMA, the momentum shifted from bearish to bullish side. Okay, again it tested the 200-day EMA again here, here also 20-day EMA. So these things work on the large cap stocks also. in this zone, we know it is building a range. So most of the time I use a larger time frame to clear out the region whenever it is going sideways. So you can see it is bouncing perfectly on the 50 week EMA. It's not daily but weekly time frame. So it is bouncing perfectly here on 200 weekly EMA. Again here 20, 50, 50, 50. But you can see it is bouncing. Currently it is near 20 week EMA. So it can bounce again for Britannia. Okay, you can see where it is currently. Perfectly on the 50 period EM on weekly time frame. So the probability of this going up is high. Hindustan Indigo. Okay, currently it is building range, but look, perfectly bounce on the 200 period EMA. Perfectly bounce on the 50 period EMA. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you.